Hello and welcome to day 27 of the 30-day meditation challenge. Welcome or welcome back. Today I'm going to give you the 3 words that I use when I teach people how to meditate. I call these the 3 B's. We've talked about them before. And the 3 B's are breathe, body, be. You can use these 3 steps to carry you into a meditation. So you breathe, either pay attention to your breathing or take some nice deep breaths. And then you bring your awareness to your body. So you're bringing your awareness into the moment right here, right now, by bringing your mind to where your body is. So breathe, body, and be. And that's the silent portion of meditation where you're sitting still, your eyes are closed, you're breathing, and you're just endeavoring to see what happens when you try to just be. Not going, not doing, not thinking, not problem solving, all the things you're usually doing. It's tricky for most humans to sit and breathe and do nothing and just be. But the magic is in that 3rd step, the being. That's where the magic happens. It might take you a while and a lot of practice to get to where you can sit still and just be. So I wanted to give you this suggestion of using the 3 B's as a mantra. Remember, a mantra is a word or a phrase you repeat over and over as you meditate. So you've probably heard the word Om. Om is a mantra. So we don't use that. I'm not going to use that because that trips people up and some people think it's weird. But when you use Om as a mantra, you just mentally or sometimes verbally repeat Om, Om over and over and over again. We're going to trade that mantra out for the 3 B's. So as you sit as present as possible, just breathing and trying to allow yourself to be, you can mentally repeat breathe, body, be over and over again as a way to remind yourself, just breathe. And now bring your awareness to your body. Bring your mind to where your body is. And just be like you're coaching yourself. So you can repeat it over and over, or you can mentally say the 3 words, breathe, body, be, and then pause for a little while and see what happens. And then if you get distracted or your mind gets busy or wanders away, then you simply take a nice breath and mentally repeat, breathe, body, be, at your own pace, your own cadence, your own rhythm, your own pattern, whatever works best for you. I'm going to play a little soft music now, and I'm going to give you 5 minutes to use breathe, body, be, the 3 B's, as a nice little mantra while you relax. Let your mind and body decompress. Let's see what happens. And after the 5 minutes, you'll hear my voice again, and I'll wrap us up. Enjoy. Okay, I'm sliding back in here to help us wrap up this experimental meditation. I'd love to know what you thought about the 3 Bs. Breathe, body, be. That might also be a nice way for you to coach yourself once in a while when you feel overwhelmed or angry, frustrated, things like that. Maybe you can pause right where you are and just repeat those 3 words 2 or 3 or half a dozen times while you breathe. Might be a nice, quick little mindful reset. If you haven't already, when you feel ready, you can open your eyes. Rejoin the room or the surroundings. Take a few breaths, take your time. Thank you for being here with me today. And I will see you tomorrow.